there is a head, we have to just connect to the next node, and if it is tail, we are just not supposed to connect.
Yeah. So I'll just explain like the few points that we have to keep in mind when we are talking about skip list is that it is a probabilistic data structure or it is a randomized data structure. Why is it that it through a random method we decide whether a node is connected to the next node. Okay, and it's actually different layers of linked list. You can say skip list is a combination of linked list, different layers of linked list put together. And why it is used is to make insertion, searching and deletion faster compared to the other existing data structure. So it is done at the rate of big O of log n. So that is why we use skip list. So I think in division A, I showed you how the building of skip list is done. So I'll just revise because both the divisions are there today together. I'll just revise for division B how the build is done. Okay. Is it clear so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll just share my screen. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please pay attention for those who are not there. So we are building the linked list right now. So as you all can see, the linked list is built. You have nodes connected to each other. Um, in an ascending order format, that you can see the data is connected to each other in an ascending order format. It is not necessary it should be ascending, it should be in an ordered format. So here we are taking an example of ascending order. So normally when you create a linked list, you don't make it in a sorted format. You insert it and you delete it as per the availability or how the nodes are being placed. But here in the case of skip list, the linked list should be formed in the form of an ordered list. Okay, have you understood that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So next what you do is we will be conducting different iterations. जैसे मैंने बताया linked list, the skip list is a combination of multiple linked list in different layers. Okay, so how many layers should be there you have to decide, and how are you going to find how the each layer the nodes are connected to each other. So in the level 0 layer, as you can see, this is level 0. We have a head node which is going to be called the sentinel. So if you can see the screen, the head node is going to be called the sentinel and you have the tail node. Okay, so this from the sentinel you will be creating different layers, and the first layer which you see on the screen is layer 0. Okay, and now going to layer 1. Fine. So if you go to layer 1, now you want to see to which node the sentinel is connected. So how you do it is while you're coding, you can use a random function, inbuilt function, but when you explain it, you can use an example of tossing a coin. जैसे हम कॉइन टॉस करते हैं तो वैसे हम सेलेक्ट करेंगे वेदर लिंक करना है कि नहीं करना. तो अगर हेड आया तो वी विल लिंक द नोड, नहीं टेल आया तो वील स्किप द नोड. सो आई शो यू एन एग्जांपल हाउ इट इज डन. So first, if you can see, first iteration, we are going to take the first node, which is the node with data 2. Okay, so first you flip the coin. So kaun sa part aaya hai? Can somebody tell me, did you get a head or a tail when you flip the coin in the example given? What do you see here?
Head.
Head. So what did I say? If you get a head, what is going to happen? Will sentinel get linked to node 2? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes, yes.
because it is a head, the sentinel will get linked to node 2. So can you see that? This is how for the next layer we see. So layer 2 may every node is connected to one another, but in layer 1 the head tossing of the coin is going to decide whether it's going to get connected or not. So now take the node 8. Okay, now we'll again flip the coin or toss the coin, and what you get is a tail. So what happens here? Can somebody explain? What happens here?
8 is going to be skipped.
Yeah, 8 is going to be skipped. So what happens here? You can see next again you go to node 10. You skip node 8 and you go to node 10. And what happens here is when you flip the coin, you get a head. So क्या होने वाले हैं? Can somebody tell me? अभी head हो गया तो
10
क्या
is
होने?
going.
Yeah? Yeah, please. What happens?
So we have to connect 2 and 10.
Yeah, we'll connect 2 and 10. So I hope it is clear. Is it clear to everyone today in the session now? How is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's how it is done. So if you go to the next layer, like let me complete this part. You're going to layer 2. So layer 2 में फिर से sentinel से start करते हैं. And what is the first node? It is 2, right? As per the level 1, the first node is 2. So again you flip the coin and you get a head. So what happens? What is going to happen? Sentinel is going to get connected to node 2. Then as per level 1, what is the next node? It is node 10, not
10.
node 8. Yeah, very good. It's node 10. So we will flip the coin at node 10 and we'll see what you get. So you get a tail. That is why we skipped 10 and we went to node 11. Is it clear? Is it clear to everybody in the session now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, is it clear? Have you all understood how to build the skip list?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so you can actually have multiple layers, and of course if you end with only head node and the tail node, then you cannot build more layers. So keep that in mind. Okay, so if you have reached in a particular condition key, like the first node is the head and the last node is the tail and no other nodes in between is linked, in that case you cannot move further ahead. Okay, so that is the stop condition of building the node. So clear to all? Should I explain it again?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes, so that's done. Then we'll go to the yes. So this was the, like, as you can see, if you can see my screen. So this is the skip list what we created right now. It is a probabilistic data structure. And what does a node contain? It contains key value pair and it can have one or more references Q. Like if for example you can see node 1, it is referencing node 2 as well as node 3 in level 1. So a node can have one or more references or pointers to other nodes further along the list, and the number of references is determined randomly as I showed you in the example. Okay, and you have two special nodes, one is the head node and the tail node. Okay, and it is efficiently implemented by a sorted chain. What does that mean? The list is normally constructed, that is level 2 is normally in the sorted format so that you can traverse and trace the elements faster. Okay, so that is, and why it is called a skip list, because in the subsequent levels you tend to skip the nodes based on some randomization method. So I hope you've understood the theoretical part of this. Any doubts till now?
No, ma'am.
Okay, all, what about others? Everyone, is it clear to everyone? Can I go to the insertion part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for the insertion again, I'll show you a video format so that you understand it better. Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of you all, can you all see the screen? Can I start explaining now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what does the screen say? You have to find the node 42. Okay, you have to find the node 42. So as you can see, negative infinity is there and positive infinity is given, as the negative infinity as the head node and positive infinity as the tail node. Okay, so that is given, and we have to search for the node 42. So far, is it clear? What are we going to do? We are going to search for 42 node. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now see what is happening. See what is happening. Like you first start with the first node level. So the S5 is the greatest level. Then you know why we came down? Can somebody tell me why we came down? Because at the topmost level, we have only the head and the tail. So we traverse one level down. And what is the next node you find is 17. Can you see that node? 17?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then what you see, check is 42 greater or less than 17? 42 greater है या less है 17 से?
Greater.
हाँ,
Greater.
so 42 is greater than 17. So, but what is this 17 linked to? It is greater, that means 17 के बाद ही 42 आ जाएंगे. But 17 का अभी का link कैसे है? 17 is linked to what?
Plus infinity.
Tail.
Yeah, it is linked to tail. That means there is no node after 17 in this particular level. So what you have to do, you have to come one level down. So can you see that? We are going to come one level down. Clear? Can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you all? समझ में आया क्या क्यों नीचे आ गए? First you have to check whether the searching element is greater than or less than the current element. Now it is greater than the current element, matlab it should come after 17. But in level S4, after 17 it is the tail node. So there is no nodes after 17. So you have to traverse one level down. Is it clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. So then you check what is the next node. 17 के बाद 25 है, मतलब you traverse from 17 to 25. Now you will check again whether 25 is greater than or less than 42. So 25 is less than 42. That means 42 should come after 25. But here in this particular level, after 25 is the tail node. So you have to traverse one level below after 25. Clear?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then after 25 कौन सा node है? 31 है. So what do you think about 31? Can somebody explain me that step? What do you think about 31?
31 is less than 42.
Yeah.
So, and it, yeah, so we,
And
and
is
also we
connected.
cannot move to tail portion. So we
Mhm.
will move to S1.
Yes, very good. So we'll move to S1. And then to 39. Fine. So now again 39 is less than 42. That means 42 should come after 39. But here 39 के बाद क्या है? Plus infinity है. So you go one node below. Clear? So now what happened? That means 30, you have reached the level 0 and after 39 is 50. Yeah, right or wrong? Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
After 39 is 50, matlab 42 should be placed between 39 and 50. So see that how it works. 39 hai, so you cannot go any further down. So what you do is, what happens is,
We move towards 50.
yeah, from 39, you insert a node 42. Can you see that? Can you see it on the screen? After 39, we are inserting the node
Yes, yes, ma'am.
42, and after inserting the node, abhi 39 was connected to 50 before. Now we have to update the links. Now 39 will be connected to 42 and 42 will be connected to 50. Previously 39 was connected to 50. So since we have to insert 42 in between 39 and 50, we have to, what we have to do is, we will update the links. How do you update the links? 39's next node will be 42 and 42's next node will be 50. Is it clear to all? Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you can decide the levels. How do you decide the levels? Depending on randomization. मतलब क्या है? Can somebody tell me? Randomization. अभी 42 को कितना levels चाहिए? वो हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? 42 तो इंसर्ट हुआ, बट 42 को अभी लेवल्स नहीं है. ऊपर के लेवल्स कितना चाहिए वो रैंडमाइजेशन में डिसाइड करेंगे. वो कैसे? अभी आप कॉइन टॉस करेंगे. कॉइन टॉस किया तो हेड मिला तो 42 का एक और ब्लॉक ऊपर बनाएंगे एंड 39 42 से कनेक्ट करेंगे और 42 will be connected to the infinity. Can you see that? Can you see it on the screen what is happening?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so that is decided by flipping the coin above 42. कि कितना levels आपको चाहिए, and 39 will be connected to 42 and 42 will be connected to the tail node. Is it clear? Can you see the screen how it is working? Saw the image? Have you all understood?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? समझ में आया क्या सबको? ऊपर
Yes,
का
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
नोड कैसे क्रिएट हुआ? तो फ्लिप
Yes,
किया
ma'am.
हमने नोड. Now suppose again we flip it. I'll just play the, again we flip it. If you get heads, again you will create one more node 42 above and 31 will be connected to 42 and 42 will be connected to the tail. Clear? Is it clear to all now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now suppose again I'm flipping the coin above 42 to check if whether I get a head. So I got heads. Again I will create 42 and the same procedure will be done. So this has to be continued until and unless I get a, what should I get to stop?
Tail.
Yeah, tail. So just follow the video how it is done so that you can understand it better. This is how insertion takes place. Again flip. Now what happened? Tails mila. So ऊपर जाएगा क्या हम? Will I go forward on top?
No.
No, right? So that's how it works. Okay, so this is how insertion works. So I hope everybody has understood how insertion takes place. Is it clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, students. So I hope everything is clear. Any doubts so far? कुछ डाउट है पूछने के लिए? Anybody? Have you all understood? Can you
Yes,
all hear
ma'am.
me? Yes. Okay, so I hope you have understood the insertion part. So I'll go to the insertion here. I have written the algorithm here. So this is what the algorithm says. If you can see the screen, we will start from the highest level in the list and compare the key of the next node of the current node with the key to be inserted. The key of the next node is less than the key to be inserted, then we keep on moving forward on the same level. The key of the next node is greater than the key to be inserted, then we store the pointer to the current node and update and move one level down and continue our search, right? So that's how it works. So you can see an example below. Can somebody tell me, explain me that example? Can you all see the screen? यहाँ पे insert 55 बोला है तो कैसे करेंगे? Can somebody tell me how it is going to work? Yes, students. Anyone? Are you all there with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, one person. Please explain what you have understood. How
Ma'am,
it will.
ma'am,
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
have
yeah.
one doubt, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have to do that skip search for insertion.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, please go ahead. How will you do it? First, you will start with which node? The topmost level, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
How
We'll
many
start with the
levels are
highest
there?
level.
Yeah, highest level. How many levels are there? We have L0, L1, L2 and L3. So you
Three.
start with L3 level. Yes. Now, tell me, what is L3 level connected to?
It is connected to 60 and
Yes.
then null.
So, yeah, so 60 is greater than 55. That means 55 should have been before 60.
60.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
there is no node. So what you do? You come down the sentinel. राइट हेड नोड का एक लेवल नीचे जाते हैं तो अभी कौन से लेवल में है
अभी second level
L2.
and 40.
सेकंड लेवल या 40 नाउ what about 40 40 is less than or greater than 55
40 is less than 55.
Less than
yes
55.
so what you do next 40 के बाद क्या connected है 40 is connected to whom
60.
50.
60
60.
so
60.
55 is not there so what you do you come one level down. So now you are in which level
Level 1.
level 1
L1.
fine so again level 1 में 40 is again connected to
60.
yeah
60.
so again you have to come one more level down that is level
0.
0
Sentinel. 0.
yeah now 40 is connected to whom
50.
50 okay then you traverse forward 40 is connected to 50 now 50 is connected to whom
60.
60.
60 That means 50 और 60 के बीच 55
16.
place
Yes,
करना है.
ma'am.
And you update the links. 50 gets connected to 55 and 55 gets connected to 60.
60.
And how do you get the other levels? Can somebody tell me? 55 के ऊपर का जो levels है वो कैसे हमें पता चलता है how many levels we have to go?
By tossing the coin at 55.
Yeah, you toss the coin at 55. So if you get a head, you will connect 40
We
to
move upwards.
55. Yes. And if you get at a tail, you won't go further. Is it clear? समझ में आया क्या सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will see how a delete operation works. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes, please.
here in first figure before insertion of 55, in level L0, L1, that 20 node is not connected to 40. What does that mean?
Yeah. I understand. There might be some error in the figure. They might have missed it out. Okay, so you just draw it over there. Okay? Okay. Fine. So can I go ahead with deletion? Yes, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Can you see the screen now? Again, we are starting with the same figure. What do you see? Node skip search 25. That means we are searching for 25 and we have to delete the node 25. So what is going to happen? First you start with the topmost level. You go on until you find 25 and the same process, the process is going to be the same. Okay, so you can see how is it? First negative infinity, then you go to 17, then you come down because after 17 you don't have anything, then you find the node 25, right? So 25 is found, but 25 has many levels, so you have to go to the lowermost level. Can you see the image, how it's going?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So if you don't find the node 25, then you can give the message that not found. But here in this example, 25 is there. So 25 gets selected. And since you're on the topmost level, you will have to go to the lowermost level. And after going to the lowermost level, you delete the node. So delete kaise hote hai? You update the links. That means 20 gets connected to 31. That's how you delete a node. Instead of 20 getting connected to 25, 20 will directly get connected to 31. And further on, all the links has to be updated. So just watch how it has been done. So 20 and 31 is getting connected to each other.
Yes,
Can you all see it? And on the
Yes.
top, 17 and 31 gets connected to each other. Again on the top, 17 and 31 will get connected to each other. And finally, 17 will get connected to the tail node. Can you see that?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how deletion happens. Is it clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you all understood deletion now? So deletion kaise hote hai? Similar like insertion. First you have to find for that particular node, and if the node is not found, of course you will give a message that not found, but the process is same. Okay, and once you find the node, you go to the lowermost level, and how do you delete a node? You update the link. You update the previous node with the next node of the current node. Okay, and then you traverse again one level above again to the same process until all the levels are completed. तो कुछ डाउट है तो पूछो. Have you all understood it?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you all? Yes. So
Yes.
going to the algorithm part, if you can see, what does it say? Deletion of an element is preceded by locating the element in the skip list. That means you have to locate the element by using a search algorithm. And once the element is located, you will do a rearrangement of pointers like we saw, like how 25 is removed by updating the links. That is 17 is getting connected to 31. So we'll do a rearrangement of pointers. We start from the lowest level, do the rearrangement until we get to the next update. After deletion of the element, there could be levels with no elements. ऐसे भी हो सकता है कि लिंक लिस्ट में एक ही एलिमेंट था and you deleted that. In that case, you have to remove all the levels if you get that particular condition. Is that clear? Have you all understood the delete function?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about others? Is it clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'll show you another one about search. Like they told you to do a search algorithm. The search algorithm is exactly the same, but still we'll just do a revision of that. Can you all see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what they are telling, search the key 13. So just see how the video works. How do you search the screen for the key 13? You go to the topmost level. Yes. Level 3 is connected to node 13. So you directly find it in this example. Saw it? Saw the
Yes,
screen?
ma'am. Yes.
Everybody? सर्च फंक्शन समझ में आया क्या? अभी की
Yes,
13
ma'am.
फाइंड करना था. टॉप मोस्ट लेवल में L3 is directly connected to key 13, so we have directly found the element. Now go to the next search. I want to find key 8. So see how it works. You start from the sentinel node, you go to the topmost level, 13 is found, that means 13 is greater than 8, so you have to go to the left side. So you go one level below the sentinel. Key is less than 13, so you go one level below the sentinel, that is level 2. Can you see? You go to level 2.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
in level 2, it is connected to node 2. Node 2 is less than 8.
Less than 8.
Yeah, so you will go from node 2 to the next node. So node 2 is connected to node 13.
Yes.
Yes, it is connected
Yes.
to node 13. So you have to go one step again below node 2. Okay, because key is greater than key is less than 13, you have to go one step below node 2 and you go to level 1. Now node 2 is connected to node 10. 10 is greater than 8, so you go one level again below, so you go to level 0. So now level node 2 is connected to node 8, and of course we have found the node. Is it clear to all? Is it clear? Have you all understood
Yes,
this?
ma'am.
Everyone, have you understood the search key? But there is an example of not found also. Suppose it is, wait, in the further examples. Okay, say 21. Is key 21 found in the node Can you see 21 is not found? Saw it? Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
21 नहीं है तो ये क्या यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? You do the traversal in the same way. You go to all the nodes. You do the traversal in the same way. But what happens is, since 21 is not found, what happens is, what is the message you're going to get? After 20, it is 26. So you get a not found message. So?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So it is 26, then you get a not found message because 26 is greater than 21. You go below, then after 22, 20 is 22. 22 is greater than 21. Can you see that? And finally, the key 21 is not found. So this is how a search works. So is it clear to all, everyone? Have you all understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So fine, I hope the concept is clear to everybody, what is being taken today. So if there is any
Yes,
doubt,
ma'am.
please ask. Any doubt? Clear to all?
Ma'am,
Yes, please. Please ask.
ma'am, what are the application of skip list? Means where we are
See,
using it.
skip list is used in like when you use a searching and all kind, right? अभी जैसे जहाँ पे बाइनरी सर्च लीनियर सर्च सब यूज करते हैं ना, वहाँ पे हम स्किप लिस्ट यूज कर सकते हैं क्योंकि उसका कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी इज बिग ऑफ log n which is much faster compared to the previous two list. So it has the dynamic nature as well as it is sorted in order and it's easy to search elements. Search, insert and delete is